YouTube, I'd just like to demonstrate how to set up HDMI CEC on a Finlux TV. So you have to make sure on settings, go to other settings. I'll bring my TV remote into the shot, right down to the bottom, check where it says CEC is enabled, and then when you have HDMI CEC devices connected, you will find them on the list in the sources. If I go on PlayStation 3, you just heard it beep, confirmation, it's down there, starting up. You should see come on. Soon. Yes, I don't know why it's forgetting that. Yes. As you see, I just controlled it using the TV remote. I'll bring it in the shot in a sec. Sound is working. So I can navigate the PlayStation's menus using the TV remote. I can load up apps. And yeah, and if you press Q menu here, you can turn on or off the remote control. See, like now, it doesn't work. If I turn it on again, it's working. So yeah, that wraps it up for this video. Like this video if you liked it, dislike this video if you didn't, leave a comment if you have one, and subscribe for more tutorials. And I've even set it so it's turning off right now.